In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The 15th cabinet meeting chaired by Mullah Muhammad Hassan Akhund focused on key economic matters. The signing of 25 agreements worth $300 million between Afghanistan and Uzbekistan. And meeting between the foreign ministers of Oman and Iran. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 29th of Shaban al-Muazzam 1447, the 28th of Dal 1404, and the 17th of February 2026. The news details. At the 15th cabinet meeting chaired by Mullah Muhammad Hassan Akhund, discussions were held on the country's economic, social, and cultural affairs, and necessary decisions were adopted. The cabinet approved the Ministry of Finance's report on central and provincial non-tax revenues at the end of the third quarter of the fiscal year 1404, as well as revenue opportunities and expenditures related to economic generating development projects. During the meeting, a designated committee was assigned to assist the construction of a new administrative complex for Kabul province in Tengi Tarakhel, the area of the Sabz district, Kabul. Addressing challenges faced by healthcare personnel and returning migrants, along with the provision of necessary assistance for them, was also among the key issues discussed. At the Afghanistan-Uzbekistan Trade Connectivity Conference attended by Molavi Nuruddin Azizi, the Minister of Industry and Commerce, and Erkin Juntur Dimov, the Governor of Uzbekistan's Sayri Daria region, 25 trade agreements valued at over $300 million were signed. The agreements cover sectors including construction, food products, agriculture, furniture manufacturing, garments, and pharmaceuticals. Mr. Azizi stated that relations between the two countries have expanded significantly in recent years, noting that bilateral trade in 2025 has increased in comparison with 2024. The news continuation. Maulvi Nurjalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, is speaking at a graduation ceremony for nearly 500 medical specialists, urged the healthcare professional to separate commerce from medical practice. Mr. Jalali stated that the key to success lies in refraining from using sacred science of medicine as a means of trade or profit. The Minister further emphasized that doctors must strictly observe the ethical principles of medical practice and uphold the professional standards of their vocation. And ultimately, Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, the foreign minister of Iran, who traveled to Geneva for indirect nuclear negotiation between Iran and the United States and discussion on sanctions relief, met with Sayyid Badr al-Busaidi, the foreign minister of Oman. According to Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Araghchi emphasized Iran's determination to pursue result-oriented diplomacy aimed at securing the country's legitimate interests and rights, while preserving regional peace and stability. The Omani foreign minister, referring to Iran's role in maintaining and promoting peace and stability in the region, commended Tehran's steadfast commitment to the diplomatic track and expressed hope that the current round of talks would conclude successfully. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. May the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala graciously, for the sake of the coming divine months, grant the Muslim Ummah His mercy and blessings. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.